This business model hides in plain sight. It runs while you sleep and bills every month. No employees are required to start. Most people misunderstand what AI automation actually sells. What if clients paid you monthly for invisible systems? What if automation replaced busywork inside real companies? What if one setup paid you for years? This video explains how that works. Nothing here depends on hype cycles. Everything is based on boring business needs. Stay with me because the ending reframes subscriptions completely. AI automation subscriptions solve recurring operational pain. Think reports, follow-ups, routing, and data cleanup. Businesses hate manual processes. They hate rehiring for the same tasks. Automation fixes that quietly. Subscription pricing keeps it simple. Clients want outcomes, not tools. You sell reliability, not software. That difference changes everything. Let us define AI automation clearly. Automation connects apps and decisions. AI handles judgment inside those flows. Together they remove human steps. Example, leads arrive and get handled automatically. No staff touch required. Small businesses pay for that relief. Agencies pay even more. The subscription model spreads cost over time. This lowers buying resistance. You are not selling a project. You are selling continuity. First step is choosing a niche. Pick one industry with repeated processes. Real estate teams are common. Law firms are another option. E-commerce operations work well. Avoid startups chasing novelty. Target stable businesses with cash flow. Next, identify one painful workflow. Look for daily or weekly repetition. If it happens monthly, it still counts. Manual reports are perfect targets. Lead qualification is another. Customer support routing works well. Focus on one workflow only. Depth beats variety early. Now map the workflow visually. Write every step humans touch. Mark delays and errors. Those are automation opportunities. Then choose simple tools. Zapier connects most business apps. Make handles complex logic cheaply. OpenAI adds reasoning where rules fail. Airtable stores structured business data. Google Sheets handles lightweight tracking. These tools are infrastructure, not products. Clients never need access. You manage everything. Build a minimum working automation. Do not over-optimize. Reliability matters more than elegance. Test with fake data first. Then test with real edge cases. Break it on purpose. Fix what fails. Now package the automation as a service. Name it after the outcome. Never mention tools in the offer. Example, automated lead follow-up system. Or weekly performance reporting engine. Price based on value saved. Time saved converts to dollars. Errors avoided convert to dollars. Stress reduction also has value. Start pricing between $500 and $2,000 monthly. That range filters serious clients. One client can cover your tools. 10 clients becomes real income. Contracts should be month to month. Flexibility increases trust. Onboarding must be simple. One intake form is enough. One kickoff call is enough. Automation setup happens quietly. Clients only see results. Use Slack for private client alerts. Use email for summaries. Never overwhelm clients with dashboards. Less visibility often feels better. Maintenance is your real job. Monitor failures weekly. Adjust prompts monthly. Improve logic slowly. This is why subscriptions work. You stay useful over time. Billing should be automatic. Stripe handles recurring payments cleanly. Missed payments pause automations. That policy protects your time. Sales do not need funnels. Direct outreach works best early. Personalized emails beat ads. Speak to operations managers. Speak to founders directly. Show one clear example. Not demo everything. Close with a pilot month. Convert pilots into subscriptions. This model scales quietly. Each automation is reusable. Templates compound leverage. Documentation saves hours later. Hire help only after stability. Most revenue is margin. Taxes and tools are main costs. This suits solo operators. It also fits small teams. If this is clicking, follow the channel for future breakdowns. Subscriptions beat one-time projects long-term. Clients prefer predictable expenses. You prefer predictable income. AI keeps improving inside your service. That increases margins without new sales. Regulations rarely affect internal automation. That lowers risk. Churn stays low when workflows matter. Replaceable tasks get replaced first. Automation subscriptions age well. Avoid custom one-off requests. Protect your standard offering. Say no more often. Focus on retention. One retained client beats 3 new leads. This is not passive income. It is leveraged service income. That distinction matters. Results compound through systems. Attention compounds through trust. Tools change but principles remain. AI lowers execution costs. Subscriptions raise lifetime value. That spread is the opportunity. The market is early but practical. Most businesses still run manually. Education is part of selling. Simplicity is part of delivery. Calm confidence closes deals. Avoid buzzwords completely. Speak in business language. Dollars, hours, errors, speed. That is what buyers hear. Over time you become infrastructure. Infrastructure rarely gets canceled. That is the goal. Build boring systems that work. Charge monthly for keeping them alive. The tools links are given in the description. This model rewards patience. It rewards clarity. It rewards reliability. Trends will come and go. Automation demand will stay. Next videos will break down niches. We will analyze real use cases. We will price offers live. We will simplify selling. Subscribe to stay ahead of these shifts. Turn on notifications for weekly drops. Missing one video could cost months. Execution favors the informed. Information favors the consistent. Consistency favors subscriptions. That loop defines the future. AI becomes invisible over time. Invisible value is sticky. Sticky value gets renewed. Renewals build freedom. Freedom builds optionality. Optionality changes how you work. You choose clients carefully. You choose projects strategically. Growth becomes intentional. Stress drops noticeably. Income smooths out. Planning becomes easier. Automation handles the boring parts. You handle decisions. That is leverage. This business fits modern schedules. It fits remote work. It fits small teams. It fits focused individuals. Start with one workflow. Start with one client. Improve one system. Then repeat calmly. Scale only when stable. Stability creates confidence. Confidence attracts better clients. Better clients stay longer. Longer retention multiplies revenue. Revenue funds better systems. Better systems reduce workload. Reduced workload improves thinking. Better thinking improves offers. Offers improve conversions. Conversions stabilize growth. Growth without chaos is rare. This model enables that. AI is just the engine. Subscriptions are the vehicle. You are the operator. Operators win long term. Speculators burn out. Choose a boring path. Boring compounds quietly. Quiet compounding beats noise. Noise distracts builders. Builders design systems. Systems produce outcomes. Outcomes justify subscriptions. Subscriptions fund freedom. Freedom supports focus. Focus improves quality. Quality reduces churn. Low churn builds security. Security enables patience. Patience enables mastery. Mastery commands premiums. Premiums reduce volume needs. Lower volume reduces stress. Less stress improves health. Healthy operators last longer. Longevity beats speed. Speed causes mistakes. Mistakes cause churn. Churn kills subscriptions. Protect the subscription. Protect the client relationship. Protect the system reliability. Everything else is secondary. This is the long game. The long game favors builders. Builders use AI responsibly. Responsible systems earn trust. Trust earns renewals. Renewals create wealth. The next video goes deeper into execution.